Right guys, so Pav has gone on his test. Well, he's been gone around 20 minutes now, so he should be back in about 10-15 minutes. And yeah, I'm just here outside the test centre, enjoying the cold weather, getting some steps in. And yeah, as soon as he's back, I will reveal his test result and tell you whether he's passed or failed. So not long left now, and yeah, I'll see you in a few minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so he has pulled up, examiner has given Pav the result, and yeah, now we're going to reveal it to you guys, tell you whether he's passed or failed. Yeah, and we'll go through everything with you, what happened. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to walk towards the car. Right, let me set up the camera. Okay, so that's set up okay. Yeah, that seems okay there, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, so basically, Pav, thanks for allowing us to obviously upload this. Yeah, it's not easy, like going for your test and then having that added pressure of being on camera. Yeah. So the examiner, how did you find him?
Yeah, I found him alright. Yeah.
Yeah. This examiner, I've obviously, because I come to this test centre quite often. Yeah, know most of the examiners. Yeah. And to be honest, all of them are pretty sound. Yeah. And it's not like sometimes people think that, you know, when they've failed, it's the examiner's fault. I do get some learners try and blame the examiner, but they give a good explanation at the end. Like he did explain, you made some faults. He did explain the faults that you made. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What manoeuvre did you get?
Parallel parking.
You got the parallel parking, and is there anything that you found really difficult?
The big roundabouts, the right turn that we was filming just before the test.
Okay.
That was no good. Well, felt like a bit of pressure.
Okay. So did you think that you made any serious faults on the test?
There was a couple of times zebra crossing, the woman seemed like she wasn't going to cross the road, so I carried on, but then I looked in my rear mirror and she crossed the road. But apart from that, not really. Maybe speed, going the speed limit maybe was my problem. But,
okay.
Yeah.
Right then, so we still haven't told everyone what happened yet, so we're going to reveal to you whether Pav passed or failed. And Pav, do you want to tell everyone what happened?
Passed. With good pressure.
Okay. I was expecting a bit of a better reaction though, yeah? Okay, grab your pass certificate. Well done. So, you know what, for the amount of lessons, yeah, which was just that mock test, yeah, and just based on that, yeah, passing a driving test like you've done, how many minors did you have?
I think you said 2.
2. You had 2 minors. You explained that one was
explained it quite well, to be fair.
Yeah, one was for, you know, the meeting situation where there was parked cars both sides. The road was quite narrow.
Yeah, he was saying that the speed I was going was a bit.
Rushed into that situation. Yeah, should have assessed that sooner. And that roundabout you on about. So the examiner said that Pav was about to enter a roundabout. It's a big roundabout. He's about to enter it. Then he decided not to. Yeah, because you weren't sure. Fine. But then every time he kept going forward. You did that a couple of times. And he kept going forward on the roundabout. Yeah. So you could have ended up blocking the path of the traffic.
Which would have been a serious fault.
Yeah. And the debrief he gave us, the explanation at the end, and the feedback, it was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. They still give you some points to work on. But Pav, you know what? Amazing result after no lessons. Yeah, just watching the videos.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Using what course did you use?
Ultimate driving course.
Look,
link in description.
This is just proof that, like, you know the course, yeah. Guys, the whole, like, if you're taking driving lessons with an instructor, yeah, it's gonna, the whole point of the course is to help you guys save time, yeah, and get the right information, so you don't have to sit there on your lesson and obviously listen to the exam instructor going through everything in detail, yeah, because that's what us the instructors have to do. And me, you know, when I used to teach, I still do teach, yeah, but what I mean, when I used to teach that way, I used to hate the fact we had to, because it is an important part, giving you guys the knowledge, that we have to use that time where we can, instead of driving, giving you that knowledge, which is an important part. But now that the Ultimate Driving course does that, so it saves the time. And Pav here, just watching the videos and then doing lessons with his dad, he got to this standard. Yeah, there's still room
Of
for
course, yeah.
improvement, obviously. Yeah, but main thing is he's got this passed. Yeah, and that's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Learning those skills and being good enough to pass the driving test. So, how did you feel?
Feels good, man. Feels like relief, like.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can drive without without anybody.
Yeah.
Sitting as a passenger now. But make sure you still stay focused, because you know when you're out on your own, you got no one there, like telling you watch out for this, watch out for that. Yeah.
It's all
okay.
on me, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay. So just make sure you're responsible. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And safe. Right then. Would you like to say anything?
No, thank you.
That's what I was going to say. When you said no, at least a thank you would do, yeah. Right, guys, so, yeah, like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye. I'm so